Yeah, it's a lovely day. See you walking through the UK. Yeah, still cold. Walking. That's what it's like. Walking. Look. That's what it's like. So yeah, I'm rolling. You know you gotta do it. Do your day to day. You gotta get out there and make some money. It's 2025, make some money. To all my peoples out there in the world, loads of love. And from That's the World Radio, we're out here in the world walking around, out and about. See that? In UK. So, we're doing the bridge walk. You look behind, you can see over there. Come, let's go, let's walk. See the double deckers. Yeah, we have blue taxis. Woo! A little bit of sun on my face. So it's like that. It's really nice here. Really nice. I'll show you in the background. Yeah. I'm out here. Yeah, this is how we do it. Walking. It's good. In the park area. Yeah, and everybody who wanna fly out, I wish you do that. I wish you get to come experience it for yourself. Don't let the blue sky fool you. It's fairly cool still. So yeah, let's start. I do something a bit different. I'm walking, going about my business. Yeah, but more life, more love. Here's the park. See? No leaves on the tree. That means it's winter. You look up, see no leaves. See? People walking their dogs. People are walking their dogs, you know? So we're in the park now, people. Uh-huh. Look at that. If y'all want to see more, let you know. But basically, this place that I'm walking into, it got hit in World War II really bad. Everything got destroyed in this area that they turned into a park now. So you see from darkness come light really, cause look at the bad thing that happened. And if you look at the park now, you see that there's loads of people and things. Nice and sunny out here. Listen, if y'all love it, let me know. Don't let the sun fool you. It's freezing. This is one of the better days. So, see this? That there? That there is the place that got bombed out in World War II. So in World War II, that's what the Nazis done. And that's why a load of our ancestors come over and join them after World War II and during World War II effort. See, that same building right there. And most of this area got bombed out. So we're in an area called Bristol. It's close to Bath. So yeah, for all my international travelers, when you come abroad, try and represent your set properly. Because we learn how to dance here before dance abroad, so I'm just showing you some of the happenings. Look at that. Yeah, really cool. And like I said, don't let the sun fool you. Don't cross the road, don't get run over. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get a juice, start my day really early, and yeah. So this is me, artist, musician. I'm out here. If you want to link me, you can link me. Just send me a message and we link. But artist, musician, and yeah, if you want artwork, want some music done, I'm here. We're out in the town, it's busy. See that? But I'm a very skillful youth, as I also cook food. Ital food, I cook good Ital food, but I can cook anything anyway. But yeah, it is I. The Fantasy World Radio is out here, out in the world. See the double deckers, KFC for all your meat nyamas, Subway, a little Odeon. This is what you see when you arrive. Like what I say, I hope that all the people who see this vlog get to come abroad and try their luck. Puss and dog never said luck, see? So some will come and find fortune and some won't. But in saying that, still walking vlogging. Give you guys a update. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so it's gonna walk in here. Respect, bro. Blessed, not too bad, bro. See, when I go in, when you have manners, even the security know me in this place. You have to have manners. Manners will take you right through the whole entire planet easy. So I'm going to see one of my friends I know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring him one of these. Look, we don't have the tree to climb, so we get one of these. But guess what? This is good. So I'll get two. They are $1.99. They are £2 sterling. So you're gonna get myself one of them and get my friend one of them. That's how we roll. When you go to get something, think about your family and your friends. And there, you hear that noise? And we're at the bakery. We got all the baked goods. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just grab a few things. My friends say they like donuts, so I'll grab my donut. And they have donuts here as well that are vegan, so you can have one of them. I'm gonna grab two. My hands are full. I got my phone in my hand and everything, and this thing is making a load of noise. What a sitting nice, man. Stop the nice sitting. And they have some deep bags. So look, see, the link my bridge in there where I can have some donut. Yeah, see, got two coconut milk. Look, see, loads of things on the shelf. Look at that. See people buying stuff. Yeah, epic. See there, anything you want. Look, it's towards me. I'm telling this nice girl that is towards me. Look how nice she is, Bob. Ooh. Man. Look there, from. My gosh. Look at her. See it there? Jeez. Look there. My lord. But yeah. Vlogging. No, I'm in a queue. Look how long a queue look. Long. But I'm waiting. Got my coconut water. Go to climb up the tree. Pick two coconut. Yeah. Yes, my people, to the world, huh? So is what shopping is like. I could just card it through, but I'll just wait a little. See? So it's like. I'm well proud about coconut water, man. I'm happy to see that. Yeah. Well, good morning, good evening, good night, all of y'all. I hope that you have enough to buy food wherever you are. And to look after your family and your people and everything, yeah? Wherever you are. So now I'm putting my stuff down. See, yeah, man. See? Can't get coconut water off a tree, so we work with it. It would be nice to see made in Jamaica and that. See? You need to package up the stuff, people, and send them over. So I'm gonna spend a 20. Could I use a card? I got a 20 in my wallet, so I'm gonna spend that. And see, you just getting them things. The place is kind of more expensive at the moment, so let's see how far it. A 20 goes. Purple money, plastic money. And you all worldwide know how much this is valued at. You don't really go far. And you'll see this 20 quid, this 20 pounds sterling don't go far in England at all, or in the UK at the minute. Everything is super expensive. Even in this reasonable place, this shop is fairly reasonable, but things aren't cheap at the minute. So if your family can't send you some money, you know why, yeah? It's expensive. Yeah. Over there is like where you use the cards over there. We're just waiting to get out. Can't wait to drink my coconut water. Oh, nice girl, let you know. Jeez. Yeah, there's my cashier. I'm gonna cash me in. There's my little load. No, that's my load, sorry. Yeah, I have to declare my load. I'm like, no, that's my coconut water. But yeah, keep up good vibes. Look, I'm gonna demolish my 20 pound sterling. I wish I didn't have to break it, but I have to. So my little load costs $5.27. Do the maths from 20, and that's what I got back. Yeah, got my things. Got my friend some things. Yeah. So see that we're in England. That's a big issue, man. And you want a cup of coffee? How much is a cup of coffee?
£2.
£2. See that?
Yeah.
I got £2. Take £2.
Thank you, my friend.
That is love, because it's really, really cold and he's doing a job, yeah?
Nice one, my friend.
Don't underestimate the big issue people because they're working. They're not begging, okay?
Trying.
All right, which is right. Have a good day, my brother.
Yeah, and you, my friend.
Now, fist bump.
Be safe.
Love every time, yeah?
Yeah,
make sure you
nice
get the
one,
coffee, you know, bro.
I'm going now.
Yeah, man, respect.
I'm going to Greg.
Yeah, man, respect. For. Yeah, man, go warm up
you, my
yourself.
friend.
Yeah, man. It's just a little bit of water that you have to pay for, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's the worst part about it, isn't it?
Yeah, man, you know that though, fam. We have to spread the love, you know, make the world a better place, you know?
Will do.
Yeah, man.
Cheers, bro.
Yeah, man, respect, my bro. If you see me anywhere, respect.
Yeah,
man.
always.
You know, Rastafari love, yeah?
Yeah, and you.
Yeah, so we're vlogging. You see, you have to show love in the city that you live, you know? Even because I learned it where I'm from, so when I'm traveling, I always have respect and manners, you know? Good morning, good night, thank you, all these things are good. And whenever I have a problem with someone, it's because they don't have any manners. And there are people with manners, I really don't like them at all. I wouldn't even go far as to say I hate them because I don't have time for that hate stuff. But yeah, it's good when people have manners, yeah? And it's good when you're nice to your bridging them, see there? Yeah, I'm bridging something. Yeah. So I had £20. I spend 5, left 15. And the man wanted a little warm drink, so can't deprive a man of a warm drink. That's it. And yeah, my people, doing my thing, doing my damn thing. Look, that's why you all have to love me. But look, see? That's what the city is like. Really busy. I have to be careful how I turn around. So see what I go on there. See there in the background, see people on the road and stuff. So everywhere you have hard life, yeah. Hard life is not exclusive to just one place in the world. So even in England, you still have people who's sleeping on the roads and people who, you know, they just don't have any money at the minute. And that's how it is in wartime. If your country is involved into any kind of fighting, then they're gonna have to ration what they have. But yeah, I thought I'd do a long vlog, show you guys what's going on. All you all who's wondering, what am I doing? You know, I'm out here, I'm filming. Some people looking away, but I'm filming towards myself. I always film towards myself because I love me. I love me a lot, so I like looking at myself. so this is how it goes. But this is basically the town like that. See, they got some clothes here, like some jerseys and things. Nice jerseys for my brethren them in yard. When I come down and give them a surprise visit, bring a couple of them there for them. Yeah, come follow me. Yeah, see, we have a place over there. It's called Costa Coffee. Yeah, and the day is brilliant, so I'm gonna end it here for now. Upload if you like them, leave the like and all of that. You know it is. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here where the light is really good. I'm gonna say what that under my nose.